I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome Music Lab and selecting Songmaker so you can focus on composition immediately. First, set a comfortable tempo around 85 to 100 BPM and pick a key, C major, or a minor works for the familiar feel of stay. Once done, enable 8 bars and switch the instrument to piano or synth for clear notes. Make sure the grid resolution is set to 16th notes for rhythmic detail. This lets you place melody and accompaniment precisely from the first bar onward. You now assemble the harmonic backbone. Place a Roman 6 Roman 4 V progression across each 4-bar phrase so the song feels familiar and supportive. Once chords are set, add a lead melody on the higher rows, mix quarter notes with eighths and occasional 16th note pickups to create momentum. After a bar or two, duplicate the phrase to form a loop, then tweak velocity and add intentional rests so the melody breathes. Make sure to test different inversions to avoid low note clashes and improve overall clarity. Finish by arranging sections. Mute or remove elements to create an intro, bring chords back for verses, and add fuller textures for the chorus so the song evolves. Once satisfied, export your work as WAV or download MIDI for further production. Name and save the file locally to avoid losing it. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot by checking tempo mismatch, exporting settings, or clipped audio. Lower the master volume and adjust individual note velocities, then re-export. Make sure the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.